and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the U.S. Pizza house dressing. We're going to start with 1 cup of Hellman's mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of milk, 1 package of ranch dressing, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic salt, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Now we're going to mix our ingredients. So the 1 cup of Hellman's mayonnaise, we're going to put it in a mason jar, large mason jar. One cup of milk. You can use whole milk, 1%, or buttercream for a thicker dressing. Sour cream, the 1/4 cup of sour cream. And now we're gonna add our spices. Garlic, salt, pepper, and our ranch dressing. You're gonna put the lid on this, shake it up, make sure it's mixed well, and put it in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes before you put it on your salad. It's best to have this dressing cold, so that's why I place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes and then put it on your salad. Hope you enjoy.